Hello everyone, welcome to Taste Buds. Today we'll try our hands on an authentic continental breakfast. Yes, it's Spanish omelette. Spanish omelette is different from other omelettes in that it has a huge role of potatoes and onions in rendering flavor to this omelette. So let's see how to make Spanish omelette. To make Spanish omelette or Spanish tortilla, we need to take 2 tablespoons of oil in a heated pan. And then we'll have to add 1/4 cup of finely diced potatoes and saute them for 2 minutes in medium flame. Then we'll have to add 1/4 cup of chopped onion and then saute it until translucent, and don't cook till the onion becomes brown and caramelized. After this, add 1/4 cup of chopped cabbage and then saute for a minute. Then add half teaspoon of salt and then mix everything very well. After this, cover with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Stir in between so that the veggies get evenly cooked. Then crack 3 eggs in a bowl. And then add half teaspoon each of salt, black pepper powder, oregano and chili flakes. And then whisk it until it's puffy and light. The more puffy and airy it becomes, the better the flavor of the omelette will be. After this, add 15 grams each of chopped mint and chopped coriander leaves and mix them very well. After mixing them, transfer the sauteed vegetables, that is the sauteed onion and potatoes, into the bowl. Then mix everything very well. Now it's time to prepare the omelette. To prepare the omelette, first take 1 teaspoon of butter in a heated pan. Using butter gives a rich flavor to the omelette. After this, pour half of the mixture to form the base layer of the omelette. Here we'll have to form this omelette in 2 layers and cook them. And then spread it evenly in the pan. After this, close the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes in a low flame. Then open the lid and then layer the omelette with 25 grams of grated cheese. I here have used mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar cheese or any type of cheese as well. And then you will have to layer the remaining mixture to form the top layer. Don't forget to layer evenly all across the pan. After this, close the lid and cook for a minute. After 1 minute, open the lid and see the base layer is done. So now it's a very crucial time and you have to flip it over. As a precautionary measure, you can switch off the flame during the flipping, and then like this we have to flip and transfer the omelette into a plate. Now to cook the top layer, you will have to again heat 1 teaspoon of butter in the pan and then transfer the omelette back to the pan with the base layer now on the top and the top layer on the bottom. Then close the lid and cook for 2 minutes in low flame. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and again flip like the previous one to the serving plate. And see, our Spanish omelette is done. You can enjoy this hot, and if you like this recipe, then do mention us in the comment section how you loved about the recipe. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to give us a like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.